everyone, here's a little update on the 3 hills I planted. A far cry from the 17 or 18 hills that I usually do. I pulled up all the drip I had back here a few months ago, so only 3 it is. Here I planted 1 orange variety called Triple Treat and 2 hills of a white variety called Casper. A few weeks and lots of water later, it's growing out onto the lawn. And I didn't train it up on the trellis this time because it's too much of a pain tying up any pumpkins that are bigger than the small ones like the Jack Be Little variety. In that iron planter, I have a spider plant, coleus, and a bunch of petunia seeds that are coming up, and hopefully will all start to bloom this week. There's 1 white one so far. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.